In today's really fun and fast video, I'm going to show you how to make mint chocolate chip ice cream. To a large bowl, I'm going to add in 1 cup of whipping cream, and this whipping cream is cold, right out of the fridge, and this is 35% cream. You have to use whipping cream. To that, I'm going to add in half a can of sweetened condensed milk. This is equal to 185 grams or 150 milliliters. So it's half of a 10-ounce can, around 5 ounces. Okay, that's good. And then I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of peppermint extract, and that is equal to 2.5 milliliters. I'll just measure that out and then right in. I'm going to grab my mixer. I'm going to start combining this together. Okay, and now I'm going to add a little bit of green food coloring. I am using a liquid today. I'm just going to take some in an eyedropper and just drop a few drops in and then mix it in. So this is about a minute of mixing, and you can see that as we're incorporating air into this, the green is starting to disappear, and that's because we're getting a lot of air into our mixture. So I'm just going to add in the rest of this. There's no specific measurement, just put in as much as you want, just so that you think it looks green enough. And I'll just start mixing this again. There, that looks nice. So that's about 2 minutes of mixing, and I'll just show you what the mixture looks like. There's a lot of air in there, and it's not going to get much thicker than that. At this point, I'm going to get in all of my chocolate chips. Grab a little spatula. Just get all of this mixed together. And that's it for this recipe. And then right away, we're going to get this into a container. Doesn't matter what kind of container. I'm going to get that right in there. And then what you want to do is get this right into the freezer. And you want to let this sit 6 hours, 8 hours. I'll just get that all in there. That smells really good. And then I'm just going to push it all over. And my chocolate chips look like they're nice and evenly distributed in there. That's perfect. I don't want to deflate this mixture at all. And then I'm just going to get a lid on this, and I'm going to pop this into the freezer. I'm going to probably let it go at least 6 hours, probably more like 8, and then I'll come back when it's completely frozen and we'll check it out. Now that our ice cream is fully frozen, let's scoop some out and I'll show you the final product. I'm just going to get in. Look at this. Can you see how nicely this scoops? Look at this. Oh, and it smells amazing. Look at that. Oh, a little bit more maybe. Oh, I love mint chocolate chip. Now that I've zoomed in, hopefully you can see how nice this mint chocolate chip ice cream really is. And you can see that the color of it is perfect. I didn't want it too green because then it starts looking fake. But look at this. That is really, really good. If you like mint chocolate chip ice cream, I hope you try my recipe out. So that's it for today's really fun and fast video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. I really do appreciate that. If you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time. This is really good. Yum. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.